Introducing the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. Everything we know so far. Although the launch of the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max is still several months away, expected in September 2025, that hasn't stopped a steady stream of leaks and speculation from surfacing online. As Apple attempts to maintain secrecy, reliable sources continue to reveal key details about the next generation of iPhones, giving us a comprehensive look at what to expect. One of the most recent leaks came from well-known tipster Sonny Dixon, who shared images of what appear to be official silicone cases for the upcoming devices. These images reveal a significantly larger rear camera module, suggesting a dramatic shift in the camera design. Despite the size increase, the familiar triple-lens setup, first introduced with the iPhone 11 Pro, remains intact. However, it appears that components like the flash and LiDAR scanner have been repositioned. The enlarged camera housing may serve a practical purpose, potentially offering more stability when the phone is placed on a flat surface, a common complaint among users due to the wobble caused by previous camera bumps. Interestingly, on the smaller iPhone 17 model, the new module seems to interfere slightly with the MagSafe ring, confirming a clear size increase compared to the current iPhone 16 lineup. That said, it's worth noting that the camera module already occupies nearly 60% of the upper rear panel on current iPhone models, so the expansion isn't as dramatic as it may seem. If Apple chooses to color match the camera bump with the phone's rear casing, it may blend more seamlessly and appear less intrusive. The added bulk is expected to bring significant advancements in photography and videography, thanks to the integration of more sophisticated hardware, iOS, and One UI emulation. Apple's iPhones have always operated exclusively on iOS, formerly known as iPhone OS, creating a distinctly Apple experience. Though Android can't be fully experienced on iPhones, Samsung has offered a simulated One UI experience through an interactive web app. With the rollout of One UI 7, this emulation provides an interesting contrast for those curious about cross-platform design and functionality. Vapor chamber cooling for improved performance. One notable upgrade rumored for the iPhone 17 Pro series is the inclusion of vapor chamber cooling technology. This system disperses heat more efficiently over a larger surface area, minimizing thermal throttling and maintaining consistent performance, an essential feature given the expected power of the A19 chip. Reports suggest that this feature may be extended to all iPhone 17 models, not just the Pro versions, offering a more thermally stable experience across the lineup. Display enhancements and promotion for all. Apple is also planning significant improvements to the iPhone 17's display technology. Both the iPhone 17 and 17 Air are expected to use the same advanced OLED panels currently seen in the iPhone 16 Pro models, sourced from Samsung. These displays offer 30% increased brightness and enhanced durability. One of the most exciting updates is the potential expansion of promotion refresh rates, ranging from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, to all iPhone 17 models, not just the Pro versions. This would mark the first time that Apple's adaptive refresh rate technology is available across the entire lineup. With this inclusion, features like always-on display may also become standard. To support this, Apple plans to adopt LTPO, low-temperature polycrystalline oxide, technology in all models, significantly improving energy efficiency while enabling smooth animations, faster touch response, and longer battery life. Additionally, rumors suggest Apple is working on a new anti-reflective layer for the displays, which would be more scratch-resistant than the current ceramic shield and offer better outdoor visibility. Performance, the A19 chip and RAM upgrades. While Apple is not expected to utilize TSMC's next-generation 2nm chips for the iPhone 17, the devices will still feature the A19 processor, built on an enhanced 3nm N3P process. This improvement promises greater efficiency and higher transistor density. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max will reportedly include the A19 Pro chip, while the iPhone 17 and 17 Air will feature the standard A19 variant. RAM upgrades are also in the works, 12 GB for the Pro models and 8 GB for the base models, marking a significant boost in multitasking and future-proofing capabilities. Apple's 5G and Wi-Fi chips. The iPhone 17 Air is expected to be the first model equipped with an Apple-designed 5G modem, although other variants will continue to rely on Qualcomm hardware. Apple's modem is said to support sub-6 GHz 5G, with theoretical download speeds up to 4 gigabits per second. However, it will not support mmWave, which offers higher speeds but limited coverage. Moreover, Apple is introducing its first in-house Wi-Fi chip with Wi-Fi 7 support across all iPhone 17 models. This next-gen wireless standard offers faster speeds, reduced latency, and improved energy efficiency by utilizing 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and 6 GHz bands simultaneously. Alongside Bluetooth 5.3, these updates signal a move toward a fully integrated Apple-designed SoC for wireless communication. Battery improvements and charging. Battery accessibility is also getting attention. While the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus use a new adhesive that can be loosened with a low-voltage current for easier battery replacement, this feature was absent from the Pro models. Starting with the iPhone 17 series, all variants may adopt this approach, making battery swaps easier and more environmentally friendly. Charging speeds, however, are expected to remain the same, with a maximum of 35 W for wired charging. The iPhone 17 Air, despite its slimmer profile, is rumored to match the battery life of current models. Camera upgrades, a photographer's dream. On the camera front, Apple is pushing boundaries. All iPhone 17 models will include a 24-megapixel front-facing camera, up from 12 MP, enabling better selfies and allowing for more flexibility in cropping without quality loss. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to feature a trio of 48-megapixel rear cameras, wide, ultra-wide, and a tetraprism telephoto lens. This would make it the first iPhone with three 48MP sensors and could even support 8K video recording. Additionally, the Pro models may include a variable aperture, allowing users to adjust depth of field manually, bringing the iPhone experience closer to DSLR-level control. Dual video recording, which lets users film with both the front and rear cameras simultaneously, may finally be integrated natively in the Pro models, an invaluable feature for vloggers and content creators. The 5x optical zoom lens will remain exclusive to the Pro models, while the standard iPhone 17 will include wide and ultra-wide lenses, and the iPhone 17 Air will offer a single 48MP camera. Final thoughts. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are shaping up to be among Apple's most feature-rich and technically advanced smartphones to date. From cutting-edge display tech and camera innovation to improved thermal management and wireless capabilities, Apple is poised to set new standards in 2025. If you enjoyed this breakdown or have any thoughts, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech. Thanks for watching.